Hi, everyone. It's Dr. Kimberly Harden. This is part 3 of the series, The Death of Positional Power. You've mapped your influence network. Now you need to adapt how you work with the people in it. Positional power is dying, but many leaders still rely on titles and expect deference. That approach no longer works. Relational capital has replaced positional power, but it's often misunderstood. Leaders hear relationships and default to networking. Networking is transactional. Relational capital is strategic. Here's what adaptation looks like in practice. First, understand stakeholder priorities. Know what stakeholders are accountable for, the pressures they operate under, and how success is defined in their role. Second, engage early. When engagement starts at the point of approval or decision, influence is already constrained. Leaders who adapt share context and build trust before urgency appears. Third, follow through consistently. Relational capital is reinforced or depleted through reliability. Missed commitments and overpromising erode credibility quickly, and titles no longer absorb that erosion. The leaders who thrive without formal authority aren't the ones with the best pitch. They're the ones who adapted early and invested in relationships long before their positional power stopped working. Take a moment to consider where you're still relying on your title instead of relational capital and which relationships you've underinvested in. Next week, I'll focus on how leaders create alignment when positional authority is no longer sufficient. If this video resonated with you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Talk to you soon.